What's up, guys? It's your boy Incan photo writer coming at you again from Durham, and today I think it's finally time to introduce you to Linda. You may not know who Linda is, but you have seen Linda. Somebody in this channel rides, I think. So yes, I think it's finally time for you guys to get acquainted with my motorcycle, my most prized possession. And today I will also talk to you as to why this motorcycle, the Royal Enfield Bullet 500, is such a great bike for beginners. So I will give you my top 5 reasons to actually get this motorcycle. And if you're like me, somebody who has already made the purchase and just out of sheer emotion and you don't know necessarily what you're gonna do with the bike, well, hey, you came to the right place, because I'm actually thinking as to how I'm gonna pay this without really paying from my actual salary, right? How is it that we can make money off of our hobby, the thing that you purchased, in order to pay it off, so you're not, like taking off money out of, having to eat. So yes, we'll talk about this, but first let's get, let me change my clothes, yeah? Hey guys, alright, so yes, that took me no time whatsoever. So now, let's get this going, huh? But first, some coffee. Man, this coffee is delicious, and that took a really long time. So I'll just leave the review for the Royal Enfield Bullet 500 for next week's episode, guys. This is your boy Incan Photo Writer signing off, and remember, stay sexy and make sure that you use your time effectively, guys. Take care. Peace out.